Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to bring you an in-depth review of the ASUS ROG Strix G18 2024 Model 18-inch Nebula gaming laptop. Find the best price for this item through the link below. This powerhouse is designed to deliver exceptional gaming performance, stunning visuals, and a host of advanced features that cater to both gamers and professionals alike. Let's dive into what makes the ROG Strix G18 a standout choice for your next gaming laptop. First off, let's talk about the design. The ASUS ROG Strix G18 features a sleek and aggressive design, with a premium build quality. The laptop is clad in a combination of metal and high-quality plastic, providing durability without compromising on style. The RGB lighting, customizable through the Aura Sync software, adds a touch of flair and personalization, making it a true eye-catcher. The keyboard is backlit with per-key RGB lighting, allowing you to tailor it to your gaming setup. The highlight of this laptop is undoubtedly its 18-inch Nebula UHD display with a stunning resolution of 3840x2400 pixels. The screen offers a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring ultra-smooth gameplay with minimal motion blur. The IPS panel delivers vibrant colors and wide viewing angles, making it perfect for immersive gaming and multimedia consumption. Whether you're exploring expansive game worlds or watching high-definition movies, the ROG Strix G18 provides an unparalleled visual experience. Under the hood, the ASUS ROG Strix G18 is powered by the latest 14th Gen Intel Core i9 processor. Paired with Nvidia GeForce RTX 4090 graphics card, this powerhouse combination ensures exceptional performance, allowing you to run the latest AAA games at high settings without breaking a sweat. With up to 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB KeeMS SSD, multitasking is seamless, and load times are virtually non-existent. The powerful hardware also makes it suitable for demanding applications like video editing, 3D rendering, and other professional tasks. One of the standout features of the ROG Strix G18 is its advanced cooling system. ASUS ROG Intelligent cooling technology includes a liquid metal thermal compound, dual fans, and multiple heat pipes that efficiently dissipate heat, keeping the laptop cool even during intense gaming sessions. This means you can game for hours without worrying about thermal throttling or overheating, ensuring consistent performance. In terms of connectivity, the ASUS ROG Strix G18 offers a wide range of options to ensure compatibility with all your peripherals. It includes multiple USB-A and USB-C ports, HDMI 2.1, an Ethernet port, and a headphone jack. The laptop also supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring fast and stable wireless connections for online gaming and streaming. The audio performance of the ROG Strix G18 is equally impressive. Equipped with Dolby Atmos technology, the laptop delivers clear and immersive sound, enhancing your gaming and multimedia experience. Whether you're using headphones or the built-in speakers, you'll enjoy rich, detailed audio that complements the stunning visuals. Despite its powerful hardware, the ASUS ROG Strix G18 offers decent battery life, thanks to its efficient power management features. You can expect several hours of gaming or productivity on a single charge, making it suitable for long gaming sessions or travel. The laptop's large battery ensures that you can stay productive or entertained even when you're on the go. The laptop comes with ASUS's Armoury Crate software, which allows you to monitor and customize your system's performance. You can adjust fan speeds, overclock the CPU and GPU, and customize the RGB lighting to match your style. This gives you full control over your gaming experience, allowing you to tweak the settings to your liking. In conclusion, the ASUS ROG Strix G18 2024-18 Nebula UHD gaming laptop is an outstanding choice for gamers and professionals who demand top-tier performance and stunning visuals. Its sleek design, powerful hardware, advanced cooling system, and customizable features make it a standout in the gaming laptop market. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or someone who needs a high-performance laptop for work and play, the ROG Strix G18 has something to offer for everyone. So, if you're in the market for a new gaming laptop, I highly recommend checking out the ASUS ROG Strix G18. It's packed with features that deliver an immersive and high-quality gaming experience, making it a worthy investment for your gaming and productivity needs. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.